You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this Japanese city. If you want to learn more famous names of places in Japan and useful vocabulary, stay tuned. Nagoya, the Japanese pronunciation, how to pronounce locally in Japanese. It's pronounced as Nagoya, Nagoya. There's not a ton of stress on any particular syllable, maybe a little bit more on the first one. It's not Nagoya, it's more Nagoya. Every syllable has the same stress. So in English, similarly, Nagoya, Nagoya. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.